Hey guys, welcome back to Droid Crunch. I'm Lokesh Kapoor, and in this video we are going to talk about InstaWP Live, which is a very useful service by InstaWP where you can take your website live on a very fast server, and it is a managed hosting, and we're going to get a lot of features, a lot of good performance out of the box. So we will take a look at how we can use it, whether there are any benefits of using it and any alternative you can choose from, and everything about that. So let's quickly get in and see how you can use it. So guys, InstaWP is definitely a powerful platform for the WordPress geeks. Here you can very easily build and deploy WordPress websites. Here you can host the websites. You are going to get $500 for credits in order to take your website to a live platform, and it is very easy to use, a managed hosting service. We are going to talk about all of it in this video. You are also going to manage hundreds of websites, WordPress websites easily on InstaWP. You can easily sell the pre-configured websites. You can make some configurations and then set up the website and sell them further. This is called WAS over here, WordPress as a service, and this is very useful. Definitely I have hands-on plenty of the services by the InstaWP, and I am just flummoxed with what they have offered so far. So let's quickly log in, and I have already logged in. And here you need to go to the hosting option over here, or you can just click on this option to go live. You can take any of your website, your staging website, to live server by clicking on this button over here, or you can simply go to the hosting. I will click on this hosting button over here, and here you can create a new website. Okay, and here is how you can get some credits. All you have to do is just click on this button over here, and you can send your information using this form, and if they accept your form or your request, you are going to get the credits, or you will be reached out to your preferred email address maybe, and then you can add a new website. Here I will choose InstaWP Live. You have option to choose InstaWP or any other external service. There are plenty of external services you can choose from. For example, you can see Servbolt, RunCloud, Pressable, Server Avatar, all of these. For this video we will be choosing InstaWP Live for this one, and let's click on next step. And here you can see all the plans. Like for one website per month you are going to pay $18, and a very fast managed server you are going to get. Here you are getting 2 CPU and 25 gigs of disk space and 4 lakhs of visitors count, like a bandwidth. You're going to get hourly database backups and daily file backups like in Hostinger, so your files and data will always be backed up, so you don't have to worry about that. You are going to get built-in CDN and built-in WAF. WAF here is firewall, okay, web application firewall you can say, and then you have plenty of options to choose from depending upon the use case you have. With each plan, like you increase for the accelerator, for example, you are going to get 5 CPU, and maybe you can start with this one and you can upgrade later on if you see like you need more. And yeah, if you have a very basic website, then this one is very good to go. If you have a very advanced website with multiple features, plugins and database, then definitely you can go with the other option. But starting with this plan can be very useful and cost efficient as well. So you can also check out the price calculator if you have multiple websites, more than one. Okay, if you have 2 websites, you are going to pay less amount for each website per month, and it will go the same when after the second 2 option, and up to 9 it will be the same. But when you have more than 10 sites to host, then you are going to pay $9 for each site per month. So this is how their plan is. So I will go with this option and choose this starter plan, the light one, and click on the next step over here. Then you have option to choose a data center. There are 3 data centers at the moment: USA, Burbank, Washington, Dallas, and Amsterdam in Netherlands. So if you have your website or your target audience is EU European countries, then you can definitely choose Amsterdam. Otherwise, you can go with the USA. If you are targeting USA visitors, then they will probably or most probably get efficient speed from your server. Okay, so I will choose Netherlands for this purpose, and you can choose any PHP version, and I would go with 8.3. okay, sometimes there are problems with the new one, maybe that's why I have some dilemma. I always choose one below the top, okay, because that is more stable than the latest, that's why only. And then you can choose the domain name you want. Maybe I would go with Lokesh or DroidCrunch, whatever feels good to me, or I can choose Lokesh. Okay, Lokesh inside wp.app. Next, click on the next step. Here you have some popular options like the plugins that you would like to have in your website. You can choose between all these categories and select the plugin that you want. For example, I want this rank math, maybe they are all categorized. And then you have social media options to choose from, some backups options, some compliance, okay, auto optimize to optimize your website, speed optimize, good to go for the Elementor at the moment. And let's click on the go live button over here, and we are just a few steps away to create a new hosted site. I would like to continue, and yes, I would. So now it is taking a little bit of time, it will create the website for me. So guys, our website is now live and I can just launch it, and I have the credentials as well. I can click on the magic login as well, so let's click on it. And here you can see that our website is launched, ready and good to go. So we also have this Elementor plugin already installed, as we had selected it in the process of creating the one. So now we can close it, and here you can manage and see all your hosted websites in the hosting option, and you can also categorize them. I have plenty of categories, so I'm just testing it, or maybe it is for YouTube, so we'll choose YouTube. You can manage tags, maybe you can create more tags, okay, like this. I can add a few more tags, and here you can see that is hosted on InstaWP. That's why we have maybe this green line over here, and this InstaWP live indicating that we have hosted on InstaWP with a light plan, okay. And we can magic login from here, and we can purge the cache in one click. We have some more options, and we can map the domain, okay. Mapping domain will allow us to have this website on our main domain or on our primary domain. Maybe you have a domain that you want to host, for example lokeshkapoor.com. we will have to change some records from the DNS, CNAME and all, and then we will have this option to map it like this. You can records you can change, and you will be able to map it, okay. If it is primary, then choose primary. If alias, then alias, okay. Then you can also have some more options like this. Here you can see it's uptime. You can see the uptime, performance, vulnerabilities, the version of WordPress and version of PHP, space it has covered, some basic information, and the plugins and themes you have installed. The themes like this. You can manage the users on site and everything from here. So guys, this was all for this video. and InstantWP Live is definitely a hosting service truly optimized for the WordPress. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to me on my social media through the communities, and also you can comment down below for any queries you might have, or you can reach out to InstantWP support if you have any advanced questions or queries about that. And please subscribe to this channel for watching more videos like this. I really need your support, and see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.